We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
The strongest writing comes from the heart. Zhong Zhaozhen was born in 1925 and has been called one of the hands that have promoted Taiwanese literature. Throughout his lifetime, Zhong had to learn 4 languages, from the Haklo of his boyhood community to his native Hakka to the language of an imperial occupier, Japanese, and the Mandarin Chinese introduced by the nationalist government. The challenges these languages presented the author and the historical changes that they represented caused him to ponder the significance history plays in our lives. This is a discussion that ran near the surface of his writings, which can be divided into 2 main categories: autobiographical novels and historical fiction. Throughout his life, Zhong is also a leader, first promoting Taiwan literature and in his later years, actively promoting the preservation of Hakka culture, and even calling for a new Hakka identity.
Hello everyone, I'm Joseph Lin, and it's time for a Hakka lesson of the day.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Alex 彭。
Alice, 最近我在练一些成语哦。一日之计在于晨。I love this sentence so much, which means, and this is just Chinese right here, which means, the best time of the day is in the morning. And I've been trying to wake up a lot earlier these days, and I've noticed one of the best reasons why the best time of the day is in the morning is because 空气真的是很好，you breathe fresh air, OK？ 所以我想要教大家说，这个早晨的空气真的是最好。要怎么说？
早晨嘅空氣一定好。
早上嘅空氣啊，空氣
一定好。
一等好，
一等好了，
一等好哦，哈卡是这样讲啊，
一等好，
最一等的这样子，听起来很高级耶，一等好。好，我们再讲一次，早晨就是 morning time 咯 ，OK， 早晨
嘅空氣，
早晨嘅空氣啊，就是 the morning air，
一等好，
不是一点好而已哦，是一等好哦，听起来好像一点点好而已，是一等好，就是一等好 ，it's the best of the best 呢。早上嘅空，教我一下吧。
早晨嘅空氣，
空氣就是空氣 air，OK， 早上嘅空氣
一等好，
一等好 ，the morning air is the best。So there you have it. That's our Hakka lesson of the day.
什么大家按字声？
张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.